As a Varun reminder, last time I told switch on the video. Is it? Yes? Ah, good. Charit, good. Thank you. Good, good. Yes. Wow, nice. How happy your face is. Yeah, see here. Your face is seeing so cute, so happy. No? Yeah, good. Nice. Good. Yeah, Nikhil. Nikhil, see. Yeah, good. Only video, no audio at all. I muted. You if whatever you say, I can't hear. Okay, whatever you say, I can't hear because I muted all the sounds. Okay, mic. No need to try. Okay. 82 members. Yeah, I'm so happy that there are more children than the last class. I'm so happy. Good. And really, again, once again, I appreciate you from your response. Good. Very good response from you, fifth standard. No hindrance, no problem. Okay. Only thing you have to do means update your Teachment app always. Okay, update your Teachment app. Go to Play Store and ask. Okay, just say check it that one. Teachment. If update come, click on update. Okay, then if it is open comes, then it is updated one. Clear? So it's okay. Good. I am so happy that you have seen few faces. You see my face also. You see so pleasant. Seeing you are yes, Nurashi and all, and some are owning, offing. No need. Let it be on. Okay, video should be on. Yes, you can talk now. Okay, start. There are three things today in this class I'm going to see. Is the first one is I will summarize this chapter and I will explain about the test. Okay, test is the next day, next week. There is a unit test. Okay, and before that one, we will revise. So these are the three things I am doing there. Sit properly. Good. Yes. Whatever you do, we can see your thing. Okay. So that is the thing. Sinchana. Samudyada. Good. Okay, good. Yes, let us start. Yes, I hope you are ready with your notebook or a textbook, correct? Notebook, textbook, and pencil. Ah, yes, good. Some are showing there. Good, correct. Yes, yes. Okay, so first I will summarize, then we will go to the next point. Done? Yes. So the first, I will share screen. Yes, yes, babies. We have already learned and we discussed the first chapter, evolution of computers. In that one, what are the points we have seen? First point, early calculating devices. Early calculating devices. What are the early calculating devices? Abacus, Napier's bond, Pascaline, difference engine, and analytical engine. So these are the early calculating devices. And second point, we have seen generation of computer. How many generations of computer? Exactly. You can see everything in page number 13 in a table. Yes, generation. Yeah, first generation. What we use? What is the main component? Exactly. Vacuum tube. Second one, transition. Third generation, integrated circuits or chips. Not chips, eating chips. Okay, banana chips. Okay, or tapioca chips. No, it's a chips, integrated circuit. Yes, and fourth generation microprocessors, and the fifth one is artificial intelligence. Okay, so the second point, generation of computer. What is the period and the main components, characteristics, and examples we have seen. And the third point we have seen is the characteristics of. Repeat, even though I can't hear. Yes, what is that? Characteristics. Okay, characteristics of modern computers. We have seen five. What are they? Speed, accuracy. What is that? Accuracy. Yes, speed, accuracy, high storage capacity, diligence, versatility, okay, and storage device. So these are the five things character modern computer. Now the last point we have seen, limitation of computer, that is computer lacks two things, mainly First one is decision making ability. Lacking. Lacking means missing, not there. Yes. And second one is no emotion at all. Crying, okay, laughing, or getting pain, angry, nothing is there. So these are the points we discuss. These are main 4 points we discuss in this chapter. Okay. Yes. Got it? 4 points what we discuss. Yes, good. Yes, some are shaking their head. Good, good. Okay, now next one. Now I will cross check. I will check this one. Which one? The exercises. Okay, exercises. Take the textbook page number 16. Take the textbook page number 16. Okay, so already I have sent a PDF file. From there, already you copy you are, because you are so expert in copying. Correct? No? So expert in copying. You see that? Yes, yes, yes. Exactly. Especially this online exam time, helping the you are getting helping from parents and good. This is the time. I'm so sad that if I should learn now, so I could score a little more higher. Okay, I was failing in my childhood exam time and all, but now, yeah, all pass. Not only all pass, distinction. Yeah, yeah, how much percentage? 80 marks, 90 marks. Whoa, great, great. Okay, so let us see what is that exercise. Fill in the blanks. Okay, take the textbook and pencil. Keep it with you. Okay, take the pencil, and if you have written there in the textbook with the pencil, and Samar, who is this one? Vijit. Yes, mother is walking behind, checking you. Are you checking this one class or not? Okay, so beware of that your class. Parents are there, time, 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 time watching. Is he watching that one or this one? Yes. Okay, beware. Now, okay, I will share. Exercise page number 16. Page number 16. Yes. So let us see what is the correct answer. Fill in the blanks. Options are given here. The dash was probably the first calculating device. Which is the one? Exactly, abacus. Okay, abacus is the first. Yes, I'll type the first. Which is the one? The abacus was probably the first calculating device. If anybody has written wrongly, correct it. Okay, second one. The first generation computers used dash as their main component. What is the main component in the first generation?
Vacuum tube.
Vacuum tubes. Vacuum tubes. And second one, in the second generation, were used the first time. What is that? In the third generation of computer, the dash were used. Transistors. Okay, next one. What is the next one? The COBOL language came into use in the dash generation computers. Second generation of computer. And the last one, dash generation computer also involves artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence.
Fifth generation.
Fifth. So it is not come here. Yes, fifth generation. Clear? If any are written wrongly, do it. Okay, correct it. Okay, then we will submit that one. Yes, good. Everything is correct. Okay, now we will go to the next one. Then, yes, true or false? Learning calculations using an abacus is believed to improve concentration and memory skills. What is it, true or false?
True.
Yeah, what is that? True or false?
True.
It is true. Exactly. True. Then the second generation computers were bigger in size than the first generation of computers. Is bigger one. First one is
False.
yes. Which then? What is the correct answer?
Sir, second generation computers was smaller than first.
Yeah, the first generation is bigger one full room. Okay, full room is consumed for one computer. Then the IBM 360 series is an example of third generation computer.
True.
IBM 360. Refer the textbook. Yeah, it's no problem at all. Yeah, last time I told in the revision class, you can answer seeing your textbook and notebook. No problem at all. So, what is that third answer?
True.
IBM 360. True. Okay, that is true. Then the keyboard and the monitor were first used. Okay, first used in the second generation of computer. True or false?
False. False. False.
False. Then where we use? What is the correct answer? Turn back, turn back, turn back. Correct, correct. Good, good. It's okay, good. Turn back and check in the textbook. Which is the correct answer? Where we use monitor and keyboard. Okay, you are taking time. Find out from the textbook. All are silent now. Yes. Take the time and find out from the textbook. Okay, last one. Computers lack ability to make decision.
True.
Computer lacks. The spelling you see, lack, L-A-C-K, not L-A-K-H. That is lack in mathematics. Okay, lack means it is a missing. Okay, missing. So it is true or false? It is true. Got it? We will check it that one. Yes, everything is correct. Got it. Now next one. What is next one? Choose the correct answer. Yes, the first one we will see. Yes, Mark 1. Mark 1 was designed by Mark.
Howard.
No idea. You can't pronounce. That's why. No, understood. I understood why you are late. Okay, it's okay. No problem. Okay, Howard H. Aiken. Okay, Howard H. Aiken. Okay, yes. Then the first electronic computer that used stored program was first electronic computer, and that is used to store. Which one? EDSAC. EDSAC. Okay, here EDSAC. Then the UNIVAC 1 was developed in the year, which year?
1951.
Exactly, 1951. You are reading from the textbook. Very nice. Good. The third generation computer used?
Integrated circuit.
Once again, integrated circuit. Repeat all. Integrated circuit. Integrated circuits. Okay, which of the following is example of supercomputer? Supercomputer. Which is the example of supercomputer?
Cray CS300.
Cray CS. Okay, one more question. Which is the first supercomputer from India? It is not there in the textbook, but I told to underline. Okay, which is the first supercomputer from India? Refer the textbook. Which is the first supercomputer from India? Search. We have time. Yeah, fine. Yeah. Searching. Some are searching. Good. Yeah. Which is the first? Already I told to underline. Okay, I will give one clue. Page number. Which is the page number? Supercomputer. Which is not there. Okay, sorry, that is for 6th standard. I confuse with the 5th, but it is there. No, 5th computer, 6th supercomputer. Okay, sorry, it's for 6th standard. Sorry. Okay, so actually it is a Param 8000. Param 8000 is the, yeah, exactly. Somebody typed here, Ligit. Okay, Ligit, yes. So it's okay, good. So we will come back. So we will check the answers. Okay, we will check the answer. Yes, everything is correct. So if you have written wrongly in the textbook, please, okay, correct it. Yes, so all the question answer, everything is over. Question answer I have given there. Yes, now I will come back. I will stop presenting. So my 2 points are over. One is I briefed the chapter, and we will do the revision, like revision 1, okay, with this one. And one more thing. Now I'm requesting you, okay, because I can request you all now. Every options are there in your mobile. Okay, so switch on your video now and show your notebook. Which names I'm calling, they have to show in the video. Okay, all you show there, and I will ask who all are there or not. Then next point I will go. Okay, yes, Lakshmi, show your textbook, Lakshmi. Lakshmi. Yeah, good. And notebook, please. Notebook, good. Notebook, please. Yeah, good. You have complete. Next page. Next page. Completed now? Ah, yes, good. Very nice. Neatly she has written there. Good. Congratulations. Yeah, good. I thank you. Really, I thank you, the children. Even though you are online, you are doing. Buanjian.
Sir.
Yeah, notebook, please. Notebook. Ah, textbook. Yeah, textbook. Okay, done. Very nice. Yeah, then take a notebook. Yes, good. Very nice. Okay, next page, please. Very nice. Wow, really good. I'm so happy. Good. Thank you. Kaushik. Yeah, I'm so happy when you are prompting like this one. And some ideal students are there. No problem. Yeah. Yeah, good. Very nice. Kaushik, super. And notebook, please. Yeah, good, good, good. Yes. Okay, little more move here. Notebook, please move here. Yes, good. Okay, thank you. Yeah. So here I am so really thank you, Kaushik. Yeah, I'm really happy that you some of you are switching and showing and corresponding to me only when I say okay, good. Really thank you. And some are there still I told no, some are idle. Srihit, okay, Srihit, Srihit, very good. Srihit, yeah, good. Okay, Srihit, you have done nice. Okay, good, 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 very nice. Yes. Okay, Sanvi, Sanvi MA. Yeah, yeah. Next page. Ah, good, good, good. Okay, okay. And then who else is switch on the video? Noor Arshi? Yeah, she is asking why Sir is not calling me. Correct, na Noor? Yes. If your video on, surely I will call. Yes. Ah, okay. With pencil only you are written, no? Yes. Good. Okay. Notebook, please. Now we show only notebooks. Okay. Good. Very nice. Good. Nice. Pooja. Pooja. Notebook, please. Notebook. Only notebook. Next page. Pooja, I told only question answer in the textbook. Move back, move back, move back, please. Did you write the filling the blanks and all? Okay, if you are done, no problem. It's no problem. First time, no problem, Pooja. It's okay. Well done. Anyhow, you are interested. Okay, next time, no need to write. Okay, sir, your video and mic are paused. No, I think I can hear. I can. I switched on mic and video. I don't know. But I muted students' mic. I didn't mute any videos. Okay. Okay, Drutik, notebook, please. Oh, Drutik is taking, I think. Nathan, Nathan. What is that? Nathan. Yeah, good. Notebook, please, baby. Notebook, please. Can you hear me? Can you text? Please text. If you are here, please text yes. Can you hear me? Sorry, no, Nathan, I didn't see. Please, notebook, please, notebook. Wow, super. Okay, it's a 4-line book. It's okay, no problem. Yeah, it's okay. Good, very nice. Very nice. Thank you. Good, good. Yes. Okay, so Shraddha, Shraddha. Shraddha off. Yes, Shraddha, good, very nice, good. Yeah, nice, nice, good. Okay, next page, please. Wow, super, good, good, good. Okay, so okay, good. Close it. Yes. So don't worry about if you are saying, oh, my handwriting, sir, my handwriting. Look here, yeah, my handwriting is very worst. Okay, I don't call my name, please, please. If you didn't complete, it's okay, no problem. Still, we have time up to test. Okay, it's okay, sir. I will show notes. Who is that one showing notes? Charit. Okay, Charit, show. Charit. He is telling I will show the book. Charit, you can show. Yeah. Charit. Yes. Okay. Yes. Then all are asking Charit. Charit also asking. Then who else? Shiv Kumar. Okay, Shiv Kumar. Okay, good. And Zoya? Zoya, I can see your hand. Yeah, very good. Yeah. Back. Next, back page. Turn back. Yeah, good. Very nice. Yes. And Harshini. Yeah, Harshini. No, your video is not on. That's why I can't ask you all. Yes. Those who are on the video, then I can do that one. Yes. Zoya, good. Yeah. Anab? Yeah. Notebook, please. Okay. Navanita. Yes, good, Anab. Navanita. Navanita, please. Switch on the video and show. Okay. I didn't mute your video. I mute only that one only. Which one? Mic only. Okay. Yes. Hasin. Somebody is there. Yes. Fifth seat. Page. What is the roll number? 36. Yeah. Good. Show the note. Yes. Nice. Good. Okay. Good. I can see. Yeah. Sarah. Okay. No, next page. Good. Nice. Yeah. Good. Next page. Okay. Good. Okay, now I will unmute. Okay, some are requesting me to unmute the audio also. So I'm unmuted. This is only for now. Okay, in the class time I will not allow. Okay, class actually it's only revision time. Yes. Okay. In the next class, I will ask the remaining students because time is going on. Good. And I'm saying I'm so happy. Really, I'm so happy that with this 5th standard, I'm proud of. I'm telling other teachers also. Usually I'm telling the other teachers, oh, how nicely, how cute face they are sitting in my class and attending and responding. And exactly nice. No chance. Very nice. Okay. So I'm telling, still I will tell the other teachers. Okay. Very nice. Really, I'm thanking you. And so first I briefed. Okay. I summarize the chapter and we do some revision and few more question. Okay. Now few more students, they are asking, please, I want to show the notes. No problem. More than me, parents are there. They are checking. Sir, give that question. No, go and write. Always you are learning. Always watching TV, mobile. Go and write. I know. Parents are always behind you. Yes. All the angry face and all. Yeah, good, very nice. So it's okay. That is their duty. They have to do. Yes, correct. No, they are paying fees. Correct. No, they are paying fees for to school. Yes. So you have to do all things. Okay, let it be okay. Now the last portion. Today's last portion of this class. I will ask the question from the textbook, not backside, not from the fill in the blanks. True or false? Choose the correct and nowhere else. I will ask question, one verse. Okay, one verse from in the textbook, from the textbook. Okay, and you have to find and say the answer. Got it? Symbol which you underline. Some sentence I told to underline. Is it? Exactly. So from there I will ask few questions. Suppose you didn't underline, please underline now. If I ask one question and you say, sir, I didn't underline, no problem. Now you underline. Done? Yes. So I will ask the few questions. Yes. What is the full? Now I am unmuting speaker. Is a revision class. That's why. Okay. Don't make noise. If parents and your brothers and sisters making noise, this class is going on. Yeah. What is that clear? Yes. If it is too much
Good
noise,
morning, sir.
hey, now we are telling good morning. I think now he came with this. That is why I am not unmuting the mic. Now he is coming at almost 9:27. Hi, good morning, sir. Yes, I'm muting because this is the response. I told them, please keep in one place. If you are I know there are what is that, joint family. Yes, one hub, two, three families are there. Okay, two, three families are, so many are there. Your kid, your small brothers, sisters. Okay, they will have the okay, let it be there. So I'm muting. So I'll ask the first question. Yes, you can type me. What is the full form of IC? What is the full form of IC? Exactly, correct. Yes. What is that? Integrate. You are taking too much time to type. Correct? No. Integrated circuit. Yes.
Integrated
Okay.
circuit.
Yes. Integrated circuits. Then, what is the main component in fourth generation of computer? What are the, or what is the main component in fourth generation of computer? Fourth generation. Fourth generation. You can see. You can refer page number 13. Page number 13. Haripreet. Page number 13, you can see everything is there. So what we use,
Microprocessors.
exactly, microprocessors, and spelling also you have to learn, please. Okay, exam time, spelling also you have to learn microprocessors. Yes. Okay, next question. Yeah, next question. Say any three characteristics of modern computer. Say any three. There are five. Any three characteristics of modern computer. Yeah, which are they? Some are started typing. I know. Yes, page number 14. Yeah, some are good. Very nice. Very nice. Some are showing there. This is the answer. Very nice. Good. Understood. Good technique. Brilliant. Brilliant. Some are showing. So this is the answer because they can't say. If I unmute, no, it will be disturb others. That's why. Okay. But it's a good idea. They can show in there. Yes, good. Next one. Next one. Yeah. I'm sorry. Actually, I told it is for 6th standard. Which one? Which is the first supercomputer made in India? It is there in the textbook. Sorry, I thought it's only for 6th standard. Clue I will give page number 12. Page number 12. Page number 12. Find out. It is there for you.
So it's Param 8000.
Yeah, exactly. Param 8000. Param 8000. Okay, that is the first supercomputer from India. Okay, made in India. Okay, before we were using India, we were using supercomputer of some other countries. But Param 8000 is the first Indian-made supercomputer. Then, which is the first supercomputer? Which is the first supercomputer? Typing. Good. What is that? No, first supercomputer. I didn't ask. Yes, Cray CS 300. Okay, so there are two differences. One is supercomputer made in India, that is Param 8000, and which is the first supercomputer in the world, that is Cray CS 300. Clear? So don't confuse with that one. And last question. I'm stopping there with this one. I hope it is enough. Yes. What is that one? Yes. Who is the father of modern computer? Who is the father of modern computer?
Charles Babbage.
Lakshmi.
Charles Babbage.
Okay, Charles Babbage. Okay, Charles Babbage. So I am stopping this revision class. It's only 9:31. Time is only 9:31. Then you will ask, sir, still half an hour is there. Okay, so I will give this time for what? Once again, go through all the points. And notice board I have written there. One notice I put there about test, unit test. Okay, about unit test. Yes, you go through for the unit test. What all things are there? The underlined, okay, underlined sentences, points, which is inside the textbook. Filling the blanks, true or false, choose the correct answer, then take terms and answer the following. Okay, clear? And one more is there, full forms. So these are the 7 points, 7 headings. Okay, academic heading wise, you have to learn. Yes, these are 7 points. I'll put there in the notice board. And it's an objective test, objective type test. Options will be there. You can select the option. Okay, and you will ask, sir, like this, can we answer? Can we type the answer from the textbook? Copying. No. Okay, I will not permit. If parents permit, you can do. No problem. Yes, I will not. Sir, you told next week, sir. Please tell. Okay, so here next week, next means the next Tuesday. Yes, and as I told, I will not allow to copy. Yes, you cannot refer textbook and notebook. Okay, then only one condition, if parents allows, good, well and good. Yes, so this is about the test. Be prepared well about the test. Okay, it will be counted for internal marks and all. Okay, and one more point. Okay, today's class is over. Hey baby, Afan, what are you typing there, Afan? Everything's recording, Afan and yeah, Afan only. His brother is there in that. Okay, don't no, you can joke it, no problem. Make it fun, good.
Right.
Okay, but yeah, okay, if somebody is typing, no, it will record everything, all the parents, all the persons, they will see this one. That's what I'm telling. But good, compared to other, your best, good. Yeah, I'm so happy. Yes. Okay, then that one, yes, assignment. Some are asking about assignment because I'm going through the chat and all the messages. Okay, so about assignment, next week, first I will explain about the assignment. Then after, I will take new chapter, introduction of new chapter. Okay, that is not the second chapter. That is 6th chapter. That is the 6th chapter. What is that? Now it is theory. Listen, read. Okay, boring. And how many times you are reading by hearting? Okay, next step is a very nice. That is a 6th chapter, introduction to Scratch, preparing games, animations. Very nice. Okay, so we will take to the sir, don't end the class. Wow, nice. Why it is? Because you otherwise, I know babies. If I stop the class, parents will say, do the homework, write that one, this one, correct? No, work will give. So if it here means you are safe. Oh, good. Yeah. Yes. Okay. And about teach. Yeah. Test will be in TeachWin. And again, the next class. First, I will what I told first assignment. Then remind me if I forgot to explain about assignment. Yes, I will explain next class. What is the topic? Everything will next class. And we will start news chapter. After that, again, I have time of 9 to 10. Yes, so 9:30, 9:45, I'll finish the class. Then I will give you the test. Okay, so 9, almost 45. Okay, I will give 35 or 45. Yes, 9:45, I will give you the test. There onwards, you can write the test. I hope all are hearing. Yes, in the teaching.
Sir, AM or PM?
My class is in 9 a.m. No?
Yes, sir.
I hope so. Now it is so now. Okay, sorry. Yeah, it's okay. Let it be. Yes, AM only, morning time. Okay. Why? Because 9 to 10 is my time now. So I will finish my class soon. The remaining time, you can do my homework or test everything. Why? Because remaining time you can go and play, watch the TV. You can use You can use the mobiles of parents without seeing parents. Whenever what is the point I will say? Whenever you use mobile, keep a one hand distance from your parents. Okay, whatever you use. Otherwise, if you use something else, they'll nicely take care, you will get. So always use the mouth. Tomorrow, today onwards. Liju sir told, yeah. Liju sir, parents are there. Some are watching this video. Now, Liju sir, you are giving like this clues to the children. Already they are better than us. Well, expert. Correct? No? Yeah, some are laughing. You're good. Okay, let it be. So these are my class. And I'm so happy like this. I am expecting most students to switch on the video, not the audio, video, which I can interact with. Otherwise, I will take the class to this machine. This here, one camera is there, no? This camera, this light, this computer. I'll talk to them like a without life. Well, no life. Okay, good. Done. So I'm stopping there. And anything I told to anything I want to remind you? No. Yes, remaining time. Once again, go through. Those who didn't complete the notes, complete the notes. Those who didn't learn it. Okay, remain this one. It time you use for. Okay, interval time only. So thank you, sir. Will you give test today? When I told the test. Yeah, next week go to the teach me notice board. There you can see all the notices, whatever what are the information I'm giving, you can see in the notice board. Okay, clear? Don't forget to write the test. I will remind you once again. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, bye.
Bye,
Bye, sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.